enju y'abaabishopu b'ekkanisa ya Uganda akashesheka eriizooba baatoorana Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugalu ow'emyaka 57 y'obukuru otwire Biishopu wa Dayosisi ya Mityana kuba niwe yaba Aakiibishopu w'ekkanisa ya Uganda.
The House of Bishops elected the Right Reverend Dr. Stephen Kazimba Mugalu be the 9th Archbishop of the Church of Uganda. The election was secret ballot and was presided over by the Provincial Chancellor. The Archbishop-elect was elected with more than a 2/3 majority by the Constitution of the Church of Uganda.
We never knew that God was preparing him to be the 9th Archbishop of the Church of Uganda. My brother, I congratulate you and thank God for your humility.
Stephen Kazimba yaatooranwa baabishopu aha kitebe kikuru ky'ekkanisa ya Uganda ahari Namirembe omuri Kampala kandi bamwe omuri baabishopu bagamba aha businguzi bwe.
Ali developmental, ali focused. Kale nze okusinzira emyaka 9 gye mbadde naye nsabira Mityana kubanga ate ye waffe. Ani agenda okusikira Biishopu Kazimba eyo no challenge eri awo. Naye tumanyi nti mu sitoowa ya Katonda tebaggwaayo. Era Katonda atutegekedde ate anaddira mu bigere Biishopu Kazimba kubanga ate ne Mityana byabadde akozeeyo bingi.
Ate n'ekirala mulondayo n'okutunuulira international figure someone omuntu amanyiddwa si wano wokka naye n'ebweru. Nga tubadde tukisuubira nti wabaddewo ababadde balondebwa n'ogaani Mukama gw'omanyi gw'onookola ki gw'onoolondako kwabo.
Akatandika kubuura enjiri ya Ruhanga akiri omusiniya omwaka gwa 1980 kandi omwaka gwa 1984 omukokobanza nibwo yikiriza Yesu nk'omujuno we. Akatungo bwa Biishopu omwaka gwa 1990 kandi akatungisibwa Biishopu Livingstone mpara nk'oyoyo. Aakiibishopu Stanley Ntagari aha mukoro ogwo yagira ngu omukuheereza Ruhanga harimu ebizibu bingi ngu konka biine kwekwasa Mukama.
People live double standard life. They are in church, Catholic, Anglican, Pentecostal every Sunday, but then when they move out of church, they have a different life. So preaching the gospel has been my main purpose, my main focus, and that is why I was ordained and called upon.
Bishop Stephen Kazimba akakurira mu mbeera mbi nyina niwe yaabire namushashurira ebishare by'ishomero aharaga kuweebwa muno Nursery hamwe n'ahari Rusaka Primary School. Nyina ebishare by'ishomero bikija byamborra nuko ishento omugenzi Emmanuel Mukasa kumushomesa senior ahari Center College Mwanyanjiri. Omwaka gw'2022 kuza aho mwaka gw'2023 akaheza kushoma Masters Degree eya Theology aha Western Theology Seminary omu United States of America. Omwaka gw'2024 akagumiza muyaza aha Doctorate ya Ministry aha Western Seminary nabwo omu USA. Bishop Samuel Stephen bamutoorana omubanda ba Biishopu ababira yesimbireho nabo ahabwa Aakiibishopu abarimu Biishopu wa Ankole Dr. Sheldon Mwesigwa, Bishop Samuel George Bogere Egisa owa Bukedi Dayosisi na Bishop Alfred Orwa owa Lango Dayosisi. Bishop Samuel Stephen Kazimba naza kuza ombijere bya Aakiibishopu Stanley Ntagari oriyo nahumara emirimo ye y'obwa Aakiibishopu aha myaka 5 y'obukuru aha kuba amateeka g'ekkanisa tigari kumwikiriza kugumiza mwari Aakiibishopu yaba yahikize emyaka 5 bwanyima y'okutooranwa ogu yaraganisa enkwatanisa kandi yabasiima. Samuel Kazimba naza kwemekwa ahabwa Aakiibishopu ekiro kimwe ky'okwakashatu omwaka ogurikwija. Ndi Ivan Tsim.